let's get it. New week. I think it's the last day of the week. Or last day of the month, I meant. Looking at NASDAQ. Looking at this right here on the weekly. Current price, how we're kind of near this weekly open with no bottom wick. This is still a target that I had. A demand that I had. I think I had another one. Yeah, way down there. Those don't really matter. Let's see on the weekly. Well, it's kind of, well, on this chart, it does show a little bit of a wick. Well, actually, that's not even the same one. We're going to focus on this one instead. Drop down to the 4 hour. So we already took out previous, previous week lows. Not even previous week, but lows from 2 weeks ago. Not really doing much at this point. You see, we're just in a little consolidation zone right here. By the way, I have this zone marked up right here. I have a little. I have an alert in case we do come down here. Look for another reaction, maybe a kind of a sweep. But as of now, 30 minute. This is London's range. Four hour. Get the 15. This could be good. So if we took out the previous or 3 week weekly lows, you know what, let me mark this up again. Previous daily, yeah, so daily lows. Need to write these or type these in because then I forget. Head back to the 15. Came down. Swept both of these candles. They closed above the line. Yeah, we had all this impulse to come back up. But you know, I do like how it wicked above, but it would have been better if it closed above this candle, either one of these two candles closing above, to have this retracement back down to look for a long. but I'm not considering this since it was just a wick. So what we're gonna have to just wait, see what New York Open does. So that's on this one. So yeah, so far nothing on NQ. Let's check out YM. Let's clear everything. It's just a volume imbalance here. Take out these. I don't even remember what these were. Well, this is just a low. And then let's look at the daily. Daily is just going down. Yeah, 17. No type of structure that I see on YM. Yeah, so today it might not be. Oh, I had a demand here marked up. What is this? A 4-hour demand. Let me see. This might be a good one. Might have touched here, but same thing. We'll wait for this demand. If it touches it, to see how it reacts. You can see here, this one didn't even activate it, so I don't even consider this a missed move. It never even came into the zone. One hour. We are currently at a 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see if how we stay within the zone. Yeah, we could wick below. Let me see if the 4-hour had a 1. Yeah, so the 1 and the 4 have an overlapping fair value gap. So let's change that. 1 and 4. Hit the 30. So we're going back down. 4-hour is still bearish. Previous as well. Alright, so we got New York Open. We got equal highs up here. See if we can come down here and take that. I'm now looking for this for NASDAQ. See if we get anything. Let's wait a couple minutes. New York Open. If we even get a movement for the news. We don't have any news for today. Oh, we have Chicago PMI. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on NASDAQ today though. See if we have anything. I do have some new combines on TOPSTEP. I wanna try to pass. or at least get half of it done today. We're back down here. This thing is just moving. Same thing, no setup. I don't see anything. It's just trailing down. Big move so far. Already 430 ticks. Let me close this. I see it. We come into this zone, which was on the, what's the 4 hour, I believe. It was this daily, yeah. Daily demand slash daily demand slash fair value gap. See how we come in here and react. But yeah, there's nothing. Let's wait. We got a minute on this 5. Let's see how, or 5 seconds. Huge 5 minute candle. Oh, US 30 or YM's up here. Okay, so it came down, shot straight back up. These equal highs up here already took them out. Not holding it. We got 20 minutes on the hourly. 30 minute. It's just pumping. Let's see how this 30 minute respects this FEG. Doesn't. We got another 15. And it just went through it as well. Alright, yeah, I don't know about this. I can see why I'm pushing for these equals up here. Going for that. I mean, it is kind of, if you look at YM, it is kind of trending down a little bit, you know. Lower highs, lower lows. So if this was an area we're looking to target, you know, why would it just pump? A bunch of just manipulation. Look at this. Baloney. Yeah, so up here was 4-hour highs. Man, if it takes these 4-hour highs, I might short this one. Put a little marker on that just in case. Back on the 15. You know what? That might have been a good one. It did kind of on the 30. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'm lying. I wouldn't even have taken that. There's nothing to play off of. Unless we came up here. Yeah, if we would have came up here, would have dropped down to the 1 and looked for something. Check out NASDAQ. Same thing, we're getting close to this little area. Let me raise it just so I can get alert as it kind of approaches it. We got about 1 more minute to the next 5 minutes. I am on the 15, but let's check the DXY going up. Trying to see here. Sometimes, you know, NAS and YM, they move kind of similar. I mean, I guess you could have expected this manipulation to take down, but that's just, you know, super risky. Just going back and forth from NQ to YM. just waiting. 5-minute closure right here. Do got a 5-minute fair value gap up top. YM. Alright, and as that kind of slowing down. Got about 30 seconds for the 15 to close. Let's see. Yeah, YM is just blowing past it. Yeah, we've been in that zone at the fair value gap, so still dumping. And Q, we're approaching this zone, so yeah, that would have been pretty cool if we just sniped it from up here. But same thing, there's nothing for me to play off of. You know, this didn't even hit this fair value gap. There was no demand. You know, there was nothing. Even if I had like a limit order at this 15-minute fair value gap, I probably would have got taken out. I'm doing the 30. Well, it would have survived, but super risky. I'm still waiting for this. Pretty close to the zone now. Alright, so same thing. We've come close to the zone, but we didn't really get into it yet. So looking for something to get filled up top 515. 515 lower time frame zone to potentially sell into this this target down here. Checking too, I think. Yeah, let's see. Donald Trump posted. Global companies explore U.S. expansion for growth and stability. And listed a bunch of companies, and then some right here: shifting production to America, Honda, Nissan, Hyundai, Pre-Pack, and Crazy Art. Okay, seems like good news though for economic growth. He didn't say nothing crazy. YM. Wonder if we should buy this US 30. The reason I want to buy it is kind of against trend, not really, but pretty much looking to fill some of this wick. No, price shouldn't be going in a straight line, especially if we don't have any news. And since Trump posted this right now about the companies trying, or potential companies coming into the, moving their production into the US, maybe we could get a good move up. Damn, I should have bought. Oh, let's buy. You know, we'll buy right here. If it gets right here, I'm gonna buy now. Ah, rejected. They hate me. Terrible execution. YM. Here I can buy 4. Buy 4 of YM.
Order filled.
Alright, let's buy that. And let's see how this goes. Got in late on one account. baby, push. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Alright, trailing this, stop loss. Huge candle. Can't lose. 15. If I see this, I'm going. Holy schmoly. Target, looking at targets up here still.
Order filled.
Alright, out on this account. This is a combine we're trying to pass. So, yeah, close that down. Done with that. This is the other one. What are we up? 6. You know, I'm closing that too. I'm happy with that. Yeah. Super happy with that trade. So same thing, reason why I took it is because that wick fill, remember how I was saying? I wanted to fill that. And the reason I got out is, yeah, we were right. I didn't even have my fib set up yet, but I could see how price came up to the zone fib and the 4-hour open kind of aligned, and price was starting to stall here. You know, I mean, price could just come a little bit down and keep shooting, but how aggressively it moved up, I was not trying to wait for. There was no point to take any chances on that. So I did get out on 2 of my accounts. On my TOPSTEP account, I was able to get in on another account, but I think I'm gonna exit as well on this one. It's another challenge account I have on a forex. So in total, I do have. Well, I have 4. I had 4 accounts. No, damn, how many accounts do I have? I have a TOPSTEP funded, Apex. Damn, we should have held this, huh? Shoulda, woulda. But like I said, I was happy with that. And got out. Yeah, no, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately, but I did get out on that. You look at the 1 minute. Yeah, just pumping. But yeah, the accounts I do have funded was with this TOPSTEP. I should have gotten it on my Apex instead of this other challenge account. Doesn't make sense. I need to stop worrying about this challenge account. Like, it's in heavy drawdown. It's pointless sometimes to even go on this account, but that is the one I had up for the day. Regardless, I'm gonna try to get another entry for PM session. Nasdaq kind of did the same. 15 came down, took that wick. 30, heavy rejection. Yeah, US 30 still flying on. Yeah, look at going for those equal highs. Alright, well, I think that trade is done. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Maybe for the session. I'll see. I do want to see how, because I mean I got in like down here. Somewhere down here. 30 points. Whatever. Is it 1 to 2? No, I think it was less. Yeah, Louis is going straight for that zone. Change your character. Yeah, so but yeah, that's gonna be the end of this one. I don't even know how much I'm up for the day. Yeah, I did 2 cons on YM. Up 7-11 for the day on this funded, and made another. Actually, let's look at it right here. So on these combines that I'm working on, 1488 across all 4. So whatever that is combined, add all that together. Like I said, on this one, we are just trying to follow the rules. You know, we gotta make 3K, having a 50% consistency rule. So little under halfway to target. So that's why this one done. I need no point of trying to go for the moon on this one. But yeah, I made this white. I don't like seeing, like, you know, I need to change these candle colors too, but I don't look at these charts on the TOPSTEPX. I usually just look at the trading view. I think, oh, did Donald Trump post again? No. Right. Yeah, sorry. I like to keep these updated as well. Trump on his app, Truth Social, and then also on X, because somehow you could have a setup. Trump just says anything and then it goes different. But yeah, up a good amount for the day, and then on that, so adding this and then plus the challenge account. I'm not gonna consider this, I guess. But on that challenge account, it's a 200K heavy drawdown. I'm at least 7-8% drawdown. Like this account's essentially cooked. Why I'm still doing it, like I said, I have no idea. But like I said, it was the one I had up, so that one up 26, almost 2,700, $2 under 2,700. Same thing, got out on that one. So let's add it up real quick. Add it up, put it off for the thumbnail. So 14 times 4. So this is almost 6K. It's 5952 plus today's 2698. That's 8,600 with that challenge account, and then plus 700. So 9K. Up 93. It's about 9,300. But like I said, the only thing that's actually, I guess, up cash value, like, it's just on the one funded. But yeah, you know what? I think after today, I'm dropping this challenge account. I'm not trying to save this account that's under 8%, and then to make an additional percent just to pass phase 1. That's 18% I have to make with no reward yet, you know? There's no point of trying to mess with that. But let me close that out. YM, that notification just came up on this zone. So YM did exactly what I wanted NQ to do in this zone. Oh, same thing. NQ kind of stopped at this zone. Didn't quite touch it. So I was waiting for a little retracement to come back and continue down. But it didn't. Still continuing back up. But we could still look for another potential short to come back down, which is how YM did it. Stopped here, came down, and came back up into the which was could have made a play honestly here with the new opening if I wasn't yapping so much. 1 hour open, came down, open, down, bottom wick, flew back up. Yeah, that's my fault. I should have stopped yapping, but I wasn't really looking for another trade. Alright, well yeah, that'll be the end of this one. Hopefully this video was shorter. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go to the next one. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow actually.